Hi, it's Chris on a fine Tuesday morning. It's another lovely day out, but it's forecasted rain. I'm just out with Sadie again. We've got it till the weekend. Then my son's back. Oh, there's a robin, I don't know if you can see it. There. We're just by the River Trent. This place floods really bad in the winter, this does, and severe rains. I made a video of it, I think it was last year. Frightening things rivers are, the power of them. It's I've never been on a river, not about poppy. I don't really fancy it, you can see. It doesn't seem to rain long and they seem to go into flood. There's some nettles there. Some might fall in there. I'd say it's a lovely area, this is. We're just going over the bridge now, with the River Trent. So there's all these gates, but I think it's farmland land. I say I made a video when this was flooding. It's like a little peaceful river now. Look at that. How nice that is. On the other side, see, it's a River Trent. So it quite often floods. See, look at my earlier videos. I think it was last year, I can't remember. All this gets flooded. I think this is why they made this pathway, to be honest with you, all them years ago. Can't think of any other reason why they're this way. Why they've she loves a walk, Sadie does. Why they've constructed it. What a beautiful morning. So we're just going up to the canal now. What lovely trees. Oh, some nettles round here. I hate nettles, I do. When I get nettled, it seems to tingle all blinking day. I think I prefer wasp stings. Not saying something. Just going up to the canal bridge now. Lovely barn conversion here. What a lovely place to live. Right next to the canal as well. Mind you, best living on a boat than any sort of house, to be honest with you. It's like being on holiday every day. And that's what gardens related to the other house. We're just going up to the canal now. There's an aeroplane up there, I think you can see it. Started kicking in again. The bistro's open now, but you have to book in. The only trouble with booking in is, if anyone gets it you don't know, you've got to isolate for 2 weeks. It's a bit rough, that is. So I tend to haven't been yet. There's a boat. Over the canal bridge. I'd say that the canal's dead busy now. Lovely house there. There's anything that house there, it's below the canal level. And I wouldn't fancy that. If you get an oaring badger or something, your house is flooded. Hold on, come on, out the way's the car here. Doesn't get much traffic with the. So, well, hope you have a great day. Keep subscribing and give me the thumbs up. Right, say bye, Sadie. Sadie says bye. Bye.